The Trader Cobb Crypto Show, talking business in blockchain.
G'day, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Trader Cobb Crypto Show. Well, what have we here? Let me tell you what we have. We have the biggest bit of green we have seen in the market for a goddamn long time, and it's really, really good to see. So, what does it mean? Well, it means that we're simply up. Look, it's looking very likely at the moment. I mean, I'll go through Bitcoin and walk through the rest of the market with you guys. But from my point of view, I mean, Bitcoin has now, it's up 6.2%, which is fantastic. We've got a day today, as we tapped on 4,000, that rivals that Friday move from the other week. Now, I've talked about this quite a bit, and if you follow me in the live trading floor or in any of the stuff that I do subscription-wise in my members area, you know, I've been talking about this for a while, how, you know, that pullback in, and how it was looking. I'd actually looked at it on the true US dollar chart as well to do an inverse version, because true US dollar against Bitcoin is pretty much the opposite of what Bitcoin does. So true USD Bitcoin, not true US dollar, it's true USD Bitcoin. So it did look like it could have the probability of moving lower, which of course lent into the moving higher, therefore, of Bitcoin. And of course, now we have seen that. First target is 4,000. When I say target, I mean we've got to get through it. We've got to close through it. It does look very much like we're going to be closing above the high of Friday's high, and not the Friday gone, the Friday before. And that high was at 3,800. I've been talking about that level for quite some time. Now we're sitting at 39.67, and we've got a couple of hours still to go, but it is looking more positive than it has done for a very, very long time. Now, if I go into Ethereum, it's a second day of big move. Again, up 7%, yesterday up 9%, and currently sitting at $146. A very, very interesting looking chart right there on that daily time frame, and we are pushing up towards the high of the last move that we saw, the last move to the upside back at the end of this, December. We're heading back up to that 167 high. To get through there, we'll have a weekly uptrend as well, which is starting to look a lot more positive. The biggest mover of the lot was EOS, up 19, nearly 20% right now, sitting at 344. Again, sorry, 349. Again, you guys, you remember I've been talking about the $3.06 and $2.30 mark. The areas between those two levels have been ranging a lot. We are now through that range. We now have a weekly uptrend. We have a very, very strong sign of of very healthy buying. We've got good trends on those lower time frames as well, and this is certainly a market that I'm very, very much interested in getting a hold of a trade. That's really what I'm after there. With Cardano, again, a really good move, 9.77%, once more, a higher low, and a higher high has now been set in there. That's what's really important here. So far, Bitcoin is in an uptrend, Ethereum is in an uptrend, EOS is in an uptrend, Cardano has now pushed into an uptrend as well. Stellar Lumen is just still lacking a little bit there. Poor old still up only 5%, but still positive. IOTA as well, it is now in an uptrend. It's broken through that 29-cent barrier, that resistance and support level. It's now through there with a higher low. Again, another uptrend in play. So too is Ripple. We've got the higher low now because we know that we've got the higher high. So we've got that reversal. We've got those higher lows now with the higher high confirming those lows. Litecoin, once again, it's sitting up 8%. It's sitting at $48.40 as I speak right now, just keeping its head above the old support and resistance level of roughly $48. So it's just sort of hanging in there and holding at that level at the moment. If we can hold above that and close above that, that'd be really, really good. But again, it is in an uptrend. Bitcoin Cash, even it is in an uptrend, up 14% today. Higher low and now a higher high. So we do have an uptrend in play. Finally, in the top 10, Monero, also in an uptrend. So those of you who didn't get to see my video yesterday, I did two. One was a Facebook Live. So if you're not on Facebook, you need to get across there and follow me, Craig Cobb, and you need to follow Trader Cobb. All right, so get across there so you can know next time I go live. And I was talking about the fact that so many of these markets were starting to gear up to, a lot of them had the potential higher low. We just needed that higher high to come in. Now, in the space of probably 18 hours, we have seen all of these top 10s have that higher high, which means we've got that uptrend in play on the daily. No, it doesn't mean that I'm massively bullish, and no, it doesn't mean that we might have found the bottom. We might have. I don't know that. But the bottom line is this. We do have momentum. We do have buyers back, and this has been a very, very, very positive move. I also did a video out to the members that are on the free subscription. Just go to the website, guys, sign up to get the free courses and get the free subscriptions, and that way, you know, you're not going to miss anything there. All right, so get involved, guys. Some really nice moves right now, which is going to open up some really, really good trading for us going forward. Have a great day. I'll speak to you all again very soon. Bye for now.
The Trader Cobb Crypto Show, talking business in blockchain.